Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 69 Camaro. There's a 350 under the hood. It's beautifully restored and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your 69 Camaro. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. She is sharp as can be. The chrome on the front bumper's looking good. The grill's in beautiful shape. The gold paint with the black stripes, looking sweet. Love the cowl hood. Emblems are looking good. Hood line's nice and straight. Now there is one touch up back here on the hood that we're gonna have that professionally fixed, so you won't be able to see that at all when it hits your driveway. Love the Kragers. Door gaps are nice. Door gap's nice here. It's lined up nice and flush. Door jam's nice and clean. Rubber's been replaced. Door panel looks like it's new. We got seat belts in the front. Center console with a 4-speed shifter there. We got, looks like 3 seat belts in the back. All the trims back there around the back window. The dome light's working. Headliner looks good. The dash itself's in beautiful shape. That pad's looking good. The faces of the gauges are looking good. The lenses on the gauges look great. You look down that quarter panel, all the reflections are looking sweet. Now, metallic is a tough paint to spray, and the metallic on this car is laid down there sweet as can be. Now these stripes, I can just barely feel them in the clear, so they're definitely underneath the clear. We've got good looking chrome here on the back bumper. We got great looking lenses here. Everything looking sweet on this baby. When you look down the side of the car, she is straight as can be. Again, those Kragers are looking sweet. That door's lined up nice. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. Right now, we're bringing in between 45 and 50 new units every month. We've got about 230 cars in stock, and we own every one of them. Now, I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so I'm going to help you pick out your dream car. All right, it's Camaro time. 69 Camaro. Making horsepower, sounding great. What a sweet ride we got right here, guys. Beautiful cowl hood on it. And you know what? We can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Now we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Looks like I'm going through a road course here, going through these semi-trucks. We got the right vehicle for that, man. 69 Camaro with a small block and a 4-speed. Anyway, getting back to delivery, we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just call Tom. He'll let you know how easy that process is. We can also help you out with financing. It only takes about 15 minutes on the phone with the banker, and we can get this dream parked in your driveway, no problem whatsoever. You can see down here on the dash, our speedo's working, the tach's working. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. All the gauges are down here on the center console next to that Hurst shifter. She's set up and ready to go. Now, we'd love to have you come visit us and check out the car in person, but we do sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen. So come on in, we'd love to have you. If you want to send an inspector, we'll treat the inspector just like we treat you. If you'd like to drive out on a Saturday, we're here from 9 to 3 on Saturdays. We're gonna head back to the shop right now so we can get it up in the air so you can check out the underside. Now we're buying between 45 and 50 new units every month. So we've always got new stuff coming in. So check us out often. You never know what we're gonna bring in tomorrow. Now here's our shop right here. Now we do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage. So if you're gonna come out, please give us a heads up so we can make sure we got your favorite vehicle right out front where we can get at it easy. Now stick with us, we're gonna put it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Camaro now, and man, pretty under here. You can see the brand new tank, brand new straps. Looks like it's got rebuilt springs on it. Shackles look like they're new. Frame looks good, drop downs look good. We got a 12 bolt rear end in here, 373 gear, and it is a Posi. Looks like new shocks, new brake lines. It's got CalTracs on it. Now the drums look new. I see the nails here and the hardware here and the brakes look new, so it's probably got a new brake package on it. And one thing that we do here at Vanguard is we pull those brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Flowmaster Mufflers. This frame is in great shape. This is one of the areas I look at on every Camaro where you get these two pieces of metal welded together. It's a telltale sign of what's going on with the car. Pinch weld looks good. Now this car has had one replacement floor pan. This rear seat floorboard here, the floor pan's been replaced. It was welded in, it's brand new metal, and it's factory reproduction, and it's looking good. We've got the body mounts here look like they were replaced at one time. They do not look original to the car. Exhaust system looks good all the way front to back. There is a crossover here. We got the Saginaw 4-speed. Everything under here nice and clean. We got jet coated headers here looking good. Looks like it's got new tie rod ends. We got disc brakes up front. I see new ball joints up there. I see new bushings on the sway bar. I see we've got these tubular lower control arms here. Cross members in good shape. Again, that's something you need to look at on every one of these cars. And also the core support. Take a look at the core support on every car. Front frame horns are nice and straight. You can see they got new shocks in there too. It looks like the backing plates are new. On the tires and wheels, we got Kragers, man. Kragers are looking good. We got two 35/60 15s here. You can see the wheel lips are looking good. Rockers look good. And if you can get a finger up in behind, I always like to feel around on the back side of the front fenders here, because again, that's one of the first places to go. All I feel is nice, smooth metal. You can see that pinch weld looking good front to back. I can still see spot welds here. Always feel this lip too. I feel where that wheelhouse comes, the inner wheelhouse comes to the quarters, nice and clean. Take a look at this, nice and clean here also. And then we got big rubber on the back. Let me see, where's that size at? There it is, two 95/50 15s on, again, good looking Kragers. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 350 power with aluminum heads, a Holley 670 4-barrel carb there. It's a dual feed carb. They've got the Enduro Shine Edelbrock intake on it, some good looking Chevrolet valve covers. MSD is what's controlling the spark. The distributor looks like it's a billet distributor also. I see a blaster coil in there. Good looking spark plug wires. Looks like a brand new AC Delco battery here. Cross-flow radiator. It's even got GM markings on the upper radiator hose. We've got tubular upper control arms here. Power brakes, power steering. Firewall's nice and clean. Now the heater core is not hooked up on this car. Core support up here on the top's looking good. Paint work on the bottom side of the hood looks great. I'll tell you what, take this car anywhere and be very proud of it, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.